All right, Anthony, here's your 363. Just got it done. Christmas coming in, DFR heads, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got your oil pan on it. We just got our Dyno top end on it. We'll make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Built 3,600, 399 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like I got peak torque, 459, all really flat through there. Peak horsepower 541, so peak torque pretty high. We got a Super Vic on here, which is an extremely large manifold. Runs pretty good upstairs. Obviously, it doesn't make really good torque down on the bottom. So everything good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. Receipt written, find a $75 credit card, USB card for technical information. Crate will be the city's spec sheet. Have a great day.